Hey guys, very good morning, Fabio here, hope you're all doing well. So welcome to a new daily market outlook. If you have any questions about this outlook, make sure to reach out to me through Discord, link is in the description down below. Wish you all a fantastic day and enjoy this video. Okay guys, so to begin with, of course, the dollar index, and as we can see, the dollar index is currently at the top of this descending wedge. So what we can currently see is that gold made that beautiful double bottom down below over here, came down there in towards the exact pip, or the dollar index, excuse me. So yeah, after making that double bottom, we started to retrace back up in towards the highs, and we currently are testing this descending trend line and trying to break out. So I am expecting the dollar index to start pushing up higher. It does look good for a further push up and a breakout from this area of demand within the market. So going back in towards the daily time frame, what we can see on the daily time frame is that we got our first daily bullish close. Current daily has already created its lower wick and is now starting to move up in towards the highs. So what I want to see is this daily high get broken, and after that I do think it will be a lot easier for price to start rising up in towards the highs. My target for the dollar index before heading down potentially once again would have to be 92.830. That's kind of like the level that I am going to be looking at before seeing if the dollar index could then start pulling back once again. So yeah, for now bullish on the dollar, and with that said, let's head over to Aussie dollar. So looking at Aussie dollar, I still have this short position in from a trade that I had to journal. So yeah, Aussie dollar missed that trade on Friday, sadly, but it is what it is. As we could see, we would have been in some good profit. But looking at Aussie dollar at the moment, what we've created was a beautiful double top yesterday, and after that, price just started to tank down lower as anticipated. So yeah, we've currently broken structure on the 4-hour, or are breaking structure on the 4-hour, also on the 1-hour. So as we can see, this is now currently our previous, what do you want to call it? This is our previous higher low over here, after creating that double top. So after creating that higher low and breaking that higher low, we now have a potential lower low. So once price starts to find its base, that will probably be over here. We can then start looking for a pullback to then see if we can take an additional short back down in towards the downside. Expecting some more downside from Aussie dollar, looking at the daily and the 4-hour, as we have had quite the overextended move. If I look at, okay, where is price then going to be heading next? Well, the main levels that I am going to be looking at, of course, are still the same as yesterday. However, I just want to add this one in: 0.73136, 0.72752, and otherwise all the way down below at 0.71451. So those are the levels I will be looking at for Aussie dollar to make its pullback towards. So that said, let's head over to Euro dollar. And Euro dollar, guys. So Euro dollar is also pulling back as expected. As we can see, looking at the 1-hour, we had that 1-hour structure break. I was looking for shorts, wasn't able to send it yesterday, but it was not a valid entry for me, so no stress anyway. Looking at Euro dollar at the moment, it is looking good to push down lower, in my opinion, after that massive run in towards the highs. Quickly going in towards the daily, beautiful double top over here. So for now, I'm just expecting kind of like a pullback towards this region over here to create this potential inverse head and shoulders before then potentially heading up higher once again. That's something that I'm going to be looking at for Euro dollar. So yeah, for now, just expecting that push further in towards the lows after this overextended move. You could start looking for shorts once we take out this low over here, and then just take the trend set up further in towards the lows. So with that said, let's head over to pound dollar. So yeah, pound dollar stopped me out at break even this morning, guys. Pretty dirty, as we can see over here, to the exact pip nearly, and then just started to reverse back down in towards the lows. Looking at pound dollar at the moment, I am expecting still further downside, at least back down in towards 1.37760, which was my initial take profit level. From there, I will be reevaluating the situation to see if we are going to start moving up higher or if we're going to start moving down lower. Going quickly back towards the daily, not much to be said, but for now, just expecting an intraday pullback, at least back in towards 1.37760 approximately. So yeah, that's pound dollar for you. Let's head over to Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar also breaking down lower as expected, going back towards the daily. If we close bearish on the daily, we'll have a nice star pattern. For me, in my opinion, it's still just looking fantastic to pull back further in towards the lows. Levels I'm looking at are 0.69957 and 0.69717 before then seeing another push up again. So just waiting for some intraday price action potentially to form a nice setup for us. So let's say what we can see over here is of course the impulse down, the pullback, the next impulse down, and now we can start looking for a pullback once again. Just draw your fib from let's say here to here, then just look for a nice 618 fib setup alongside a key level on the lower time frame, or liquidity of course. Because if we go to the lower time frame and let's say the 15, what you'll then see on the 15 is this level over here. So if these imbalance candles, because this isn't a balanced candle, have these massive wicks, you can just skip those wicks, but we can still drop from wick to wick. And then what you can see is that this level kind of corresponds with support in general. So that's always good to see. And then if you draw your fib from here to here, and let's say this is a 618 over here, then you can start looking for a short. So yeah, that is that for Kiwi dollar. So let's head over to our last pair, which is gold. So gold is moving down lower, expecting more downside from gold, to be honest. It is looking good after forming this ascending wedge. So just going to be waiting for more downside from this pair to, let's say at least 1824 approximately. Or excuse me, I had my analysis ready down below over here. Oh yeah, 1790, sorry, my apologies. So somewhere in between 1790 towards 1780. This kind of region is what I'm looking for. Expecting a reaction from this level over here first, but essentially I am expecting a push down lower, unless of course we come back up for that swing high at 1834.195 to then start moving down lower. So yeah, for now bearish on gold, but let's see what is going to be happening today. We'll keep you guys posted if I see any interesting setups. So yeah, thanks guys. Oh yeah, by the way, looking at this level over here at, excuse me, on the lower time frame, that is, yeah, these imbalances over here. So that is approximately 1823 half. That's kind of the level that I'm looking at for potential shorts on gold. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to contact me through Discord. We'll keep you posted if I see any interesting setups. Currently Euro Yen on watch, and I will drop the signal if we see an entry. So thanks for watching guys, and I wish you all a fantastic day.